If you've shopped for a smartphone with a good camera recently, chances are you've checked out the DxOMark camera score of the device. In the recent past, you might have seen these scores slapped on its spec sheet or marketing materials. These numbers promise a quick snapshot of how a phone performs behind the lens, and for many, this sets an expectation for camera quality. DxOMark began as an independent image quality lab focused on testing cameras and lenses, and it expanded its protocols to evaluate smartphone cameras using extensive testing parameters. While the firm had tested out the camera systems of handsets back in the early 2010s, Google's first Pixel launch brought DxOMark to the mainstream. This announcement kicked off a trend of all premium phones being tested on the platform. Their scoring combines real-world testing and lab evaluations to measure photo and video quality under a wide range of scenarios. A typical DxOMark camera test involves hundreds of images and minutes of video across various conditions, from bright outdoor scenes to low light. The devices being tested use default settings to mirror a typical user experience. From these tests, individual sub-scores photo, video, zoom, and bokeh are generated and then combined into an overall score that aims to represent general imaging performance. DxOMark also introduced the concept of trustability, which measures not just peak performance in isolated scenes but how consistently a camera performs across a broad range of conditions. This includes conditions like low light, motion, HDR, and more, to help separate the devices that perform very well in simple lab scenes but fail in everyday shooting. One of the biggest advantages of such camera testing is the standardization and consistency. DxOMark helps remove the subjectivity of your typical online reviews and provides scores and performance metrics directly comparable across smartphones from different brands. This allowed users to spot the relative photography differences between camera systems.